Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. Well, it's my last day at the cabin. Let's go down to the creek, see if I can catch a few more before it's time to go. When I first got here, I tried a few little swim baits. I tried some Roadrunner underspins. So far, the only thing I can catch them on is worms. So that's what we're trying again. 100% American big red worms. Hopefully I can get a few more. Here we are. As you can see, the water level is lower. This is tidal water because it eventually flows into the Gulf of Mexico. So when the tide comes in and out, this water goes up and down. Let's see if I can get another fish. When I first stepped onto the dock, I saw a little bit of a wake out there. It makes me think there might be something out here. Let's see what happens. There's a bite. There we go. That looked like a little bite. Got him. Red ear sunfish. Nice little shell cracker right here. Let's check it out. Good looking fish. Don't jump out of my hands, bro. I'll let you go. There we go. Got about a 7-inch shell cracker here, maybe close to 8 inches. Look at that red ear. Good looking fish. Let's see if we can get another one. No matter where you are, worm in a bobber, you'll find something. Saw a little wake down there. There's something cruising around. There's a bite. Got him. Second fish of the day. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. Nice looking fish here. Some kind of a sunfish. Not exactly sure. Nice colors. What is this, a red breast? No, what is this? Look at that. I'm gonna have to look that up. It's got a lot of black speckles by the gill plate there. Nice orange fins. It's like an orange sunfish of some kind. Really neat looking fish. If you know what this is, maybe comment below. It looks sort of like a red breast, but it's not. It's got way too much orange on it. It's got a relatively small mouth, so it's not a green sunfish. It's not a warmouth. Wow, good looking fish. I think this is my first. Whatever species this is my first one. Some kind of sunfish though, for sure. I'll have to look it up. Cool fish right there. That was cool. I think it was either spotted sunfish, orange spotted sunfish, possibly even dollar sunfish. But I'm thinking orange spotted sunfish. Look at all those dots on the gill plate right there. And it had all orange fins just like that. I think that was it. Oh, here comes that rain. There we go. Raincoat. Now I can keep fishing. Let's see if I can find another one. I can hear the rain coming. Get that hood up. Wow. Stuck in the weeds. Dragging the weeds in. All right, well. Better than snagging it and losing it, I guess. So far I got 2 fish. One nice red ear sunfish and one sunfish I'm not too sure about, but I think it's an orange spotted sunfish. Very unique looking fish. I've never caught one like that before. And I've caught a lot of sunfish. I did a lot of fishing on this trip, but some of the most relaxing fishing, bobber and a worm. Just enjoying the sights and sounds of the swamp. There's a bite. Got him. Nice. Another shell cracker. Good looking fish here. Good looking shell cracker here. Look at that distinct red ear. Speckled green body. Jumped out of my hands, but I caught it. Fast reflexes. One more quick look at it. It wants to jump. There we go. Let's get some more worm. I'm half tempted to walk on this, but I don't know if that's going to be solid and I can walk out to that point, because that would be a good spot, or if it's muck and I'll sink down in it. It's too soft. Maybe if I had some boots. I don't feel like going to grab them. Let's go try the other dock. Damn it, I already caught a bush. Let's see if we can find anything over here. Last time I tried this side, I didn't even get a bite. So I don't think I'm going to spend too much time here, but we'll try. Is that a bite? No. That was a bite. Got Good looking bluegill. Nice colors on it here. Good looking fish here. Good look. Damn it. Jumped right out of my hands. All right, last try. Here we go. Just one more. I'll be happy with one more fish. Then I gotta go pack it up. There's a bite. Did they let go? Come back. Come back, Shane. Got him. What do we got? What do we got? Another one of those sunfish that I'm not sure what kind it is. All right, got another little sunfish here. I'm not sure what kind it is. Same as that other one. Try to hold him up to the camera to get a good look. Jumped right out of my hands. Time to go. I'm glad I had one more chance to come out and fish. I got a handful of shell crackers, a bluegill, and a couple sunfish I can't identify. I'm guessing spotted sunfish, orange spotted sunfish, something like that. Maybe EPF can help me identify them. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.